My name is Richa Malik. I'm an architect and interior designer. Today I'm going to show you the luxury bathroom designs around the world. What are the best ideas which you can apply while designing your bathroom space? Hope you will enjoy and learn from this video. So if you like the content, please share and subscribe. So let's start the video. Large bathrooms. If you talk about size of bathroom, then as per the standard, 6 feet by 6 feet, which is 36 feet, is comfortable and okay size. Bigger than this size of bathrooms, called large bathrooms. Designing a large bathroom is tricky, but with expertise and some guidance, you can make a beautiful, luxurious, inviting, cozy large bathrooms. So these are the few tips. Create a focal point. Use different colors and materials. Divide the bathroom in different zones. Put plants, sitting area, long mirrors. Small bathrooms. If the size of your bathroom is smaller than 6 feet by 6 feet, which is 36 square feet, then it comes under the category of small bathrooms. Small bathroom also have a tons of potential to look incredibly charming and functional if you follow these tips. First, most important tip is go for sliding doors as swing door eats up your space. Use compact fixtures and big mirrors. Avoid dark tiles and use vibrant colors. For storage, niches can be given with lights. Wall niches are a great way to create more space in your bathrooms. It's a recessed space built into the wall for storage. They are used as a highlighter. When we add lights to them, can be used to keep planters, candles, or decorative things which add glamour to the space. There are many ways we can build the niches in the bathroom. Let's see that. Highlighter tiles are a great way to infuse colors and style into a bathroom. These tiles are available in a plethora of options in terms of color, texture, patterns, size, and material. Here are some interesting ways to work with bathroom highlighter tiles. Please have a look. Bathroom lights are one of the key features of bathroom design. If the lighting is done well, the bathroom can be made to look spacious and welcoming. There are several approaches to bathroom lighting, just like lighting any other space in your home. Please have a look. That's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, please do write in the comment box. Please subscribe and like this video.